In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Generative Upscale in Lightroom in a quick, simple way. This is a really useful feature if you want to increase the resolution of a photo, improve image quality, and get more detail without leaving Lightroom. It's especially handy when you need a larger file for printing, cropping, or sharing at higher quality. If you enjoy easy Lightroom tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom and select the photo you want to upscale. Once your image is ready, right-click on the photo to bring up the menu. From there, click Generative Upscale. This is the feature that uses partner models to help enlarge your image intelligently, instead of just stretching pixels like a basic resize tool. One important thing to know is that this feature uses credits, so before you apply it, make sure you have enough available in your account. After you click Generative Upscale, Lightroom will give you upscale options. You can usually choose 2x or 4x depending on how much larger you want the image to become. If you only need a moderate boost in resolution, 2x may be enough. If you need a much larger version, 4x can give you a stronger result. Lightroom will also show helpful details like the file size and the final resolution, so you can compare the output before you continue. That makes it easier to decide which upscale level is best for your project. Keep in mind that AI upscaling can increase resolution by up to around 4 times the original pixel count, which is a huge advantage when working with smaller images. Once you've reviewed the settings, apply the upscale and let Lightroom process the photo. Depending on the image and the selected option, this may take a moment. When it's finished, you'll have a higher resolution version of your photo ready to use. And that's how to use Generative Upscale in Lightroom. It's fast, powerful, and a great way to get more detail from your images without doing complicated manual work. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.